Hey there, I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from erleentilton.com. In this video, I'm going to share my favorite gluten-free apple pie recipe that includes healthy food alternatives. There are not many apple pie recipes with fresh apples that's this simple. Everyone loves a great apple pie dessert. So I'm also going to show you how to make mini apple pies that are so delicious. So stay tuned. Everyone likes tasty apple pies, but this is a unique classic apple pie recipe that's gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, and delicious. Plus, it supports a healthy gut diet plan too. So whether you want to do a 9-inch double crust pie or these mini pies, either works. So let's start with the pie crust. In your bowl, 3 tablespoons of cold butter, 1.5 cups of blanched almond flour, half a teaspoon salt, and we're going to cut the butter into it and make it nice and crumbly. Then add 3 tablespoons of cold water and mix it together. Super simple. It makes a really nice soft ball of dough. Or you either have the option to do this in your machine. Either way it works. Now you're going to take that ball of dough and chill it while we make our filling. Now I'm showing you how to quickly peel and slice your apples, and you can do this by hand, but you want to quarter them and get 1 quart's worth. Now we're going to go to our pot and add 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, 1/4 cup of honey. Then you're going to add 4 teaspoons of tapioca granules, 1/4 teaspoon of both cinnamon and nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon salt. Then I add one of my favorite parts, 2 drops each of cinnamon and lemon essential oils. Now, these are immune boosting, great flavor too. Now we're going to heat this, stir it, and heat it until it starts to dissolve. And then you're going to add your apples and fold them in and stir it till it's well coated. Now we're going to go back to our chilled pie dough. Put that between 2 pieces of parchment paper, roll from the center out, and then you're going to turn it over, turn it, and roll it out. It's a really nice soft dough, and you can roll it into a nice circle. Take off 1 piece of the parchment paper, put it back on, then turn it over and take off that parchment paper. Then we're going to put it on our pie plate, and don't freak out because this almond flour crust is very, very soft, but it's very moldable, so you can put it together really, really easy. Now, you will need to double this pie crust recipe that I've shared with you so that you can put the top crust filling on. Just make it really nice there. And again, put the filling in, put your top pie crust on, and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 375 degrees. Or you can take the same pie dough and cut it into circles and put it in a mini pie maker. I usually like to just put the bottom crust on, but it bakes up so beautiful and you have such wonderful little pies. They're so yummy. So enjoy. Make sure you go to the description, ask your questions, comment, download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook there, then like and subscribe.